Alright, now here is some exciting news for those of you who are planning to buy a brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch or planning to upgrade your existing smartwatch to an upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 series. Finally, Samsung is bringing back the rotating bezel, which most of us love using. As per the latest leaked press renders, Samsung is expected to launch two variants of the Galaxy Watch this time, the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. There is no rumors about the Pro version of the Galaxy Watch this time around. Perhaps Samsung is getting back to the tried and tested models in the past. Though the Watch 5 Pro was a great watch with 3 to 4 days of battery life, it did not attract a lot of users because of the design elements. However, the Watch 5 Regular is the one which many users were attracted to. Maybe considering that, Samsung would like to launch the regular and classic variants this time around, and these leaks from German tech site WinLeaks confirms the same. The renders show the Galaxy Watch 6, which looks similar to the Watch 4 and 5, and the Watch 6 Classic looks similar to Watch 4 Classic. Personally, I love the Watch 4 Classic design, and I'm glad to see these leaks confirming the rotating bezel back on Watch 6 series. Let me know what do you think about it. Do drop a comment. Now coming to some technical specifications, these watches are expected to come with a brand new chipset, the Exynos W930. On the previous gen watches we had Exynos W920, and this new Exynos W930 chip apparently does not make too much of a difference in performance. However, it may be more power efficient and offer a better battery life. The Watch 4 is expected in two different sizes as usual, 40mm and 44mm. However, the Watch 6 Classic is going to get a size bump which will be offered in 43mm and 47mm, which is the biggest size Samsung has offered so far on a Galaxy Watch. The Watch 6 is expected in three color options such as black, beige and silver, the Classic in black and silver. But we may get more options in the colors, so let's wait for the launch and see that. As far as the batteries are concerned, we can expect bigger batteries this time, at least on the Watch 6 Classic, since the display size is expected to be slightly bigger. It would be great even if the watch offers the battery size similar to Watch 5 Pro, and with the all-new chip, we can expect better battery performance as well. Rest of the specs is expected to be similar to the previous gen Watch 5 series. Now coming to the software, Samsung announced One UI Watch 5.0, which comes with some brand new features, and this One UI 5.0 is currently being tested on the Watch 4 and Watch 5 series, and same will be offered on the Watch 6 series out of the box. I have made a quick video on all the new features which are available on One UI Watch 5 Beta. If you have missed it, you can watch it by clicking the link in the description. I'm yet to get the official beta version of One UI 5.0 on my watch. I will post a detailed video about that as soon as I get the update on the Galaxy Watch 4 or Watch 5 series. Now, apart from the features which are offered on One UI 5, we can expect some unique features on the latest Watch 6 series along with some additional hardware related features, for example, body temperature measurement or something like that. Samsung is known for differentiating the latest models with previous gen models by offering additional features on the latest ones, so we can expect that to happen. Now, these watches are expected to launch on 27th of July 2023 in the Unpacked event along with Samsung foldables. So now the question is, should you upgrade to these watches or stick to the Watch 4 series or 5 series? In my opinion, the Watch 6 series is not that exciting, at least for now, considering all the leaks and rumors when compared to the Watch 5 series or 4 series. Both the 4 and 5 series are going to get the One UI Watch 5 with all those new features which Watch 6 series will come with. And the Watch 4 Classic looks like the 6 Classic, and the 6 Regular looks exactly like the Watch 4 or 5 Regular, so no change in design there. The only upgrade may be the battery performance, which I am guessing will be a marginal improvement. So now your upgrade decision depends on which watch you currently have. If you have Watch 4 series, you can consider upgrading, but I would still suggest use your watch for one more year and upgrade to 7 series maybe next year. If you have Watch 5 series, just stick to it. I would suggest not to upgrade. And if you are planning to buy the Galaxy Watch for the first time, then obviously the latest will be the best, so you can go for the Watch 6 series. Watch 6 Classic would be the best, and I'm so excited for this watch. After the launch, let's do an unboxing video and I will post some contents on its features, performance, etc. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe. You can also let me know your opinion about these leaks, these 6 series watches, in the comment section below. Tell me what do you think about it, which watch do you own, and do you want to upgrade or not? Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video informational. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers, bye bye.